Well, I wish I'd started recording this one earlier. I sent out a beacon, and then Jim connected to me and asked if I wanted to QSY, and I wanted to get the QSY in there and how to do that. Let me see if I can put that in there. I want to record it, and I'll show you how QSY, which is a pretty neat feature in VarAC. And if you're just tuning in, this is Ham Radio with K0PIR, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Look at that. That is pretty doggone good. Over 250 BPS. So I'm going to send, I already sent in my log info. I think I sent in my, did I send him, no, I don't think I sent him my rig information. Let me do that. There we go. Okay, he's on one of the Chinese transceivers, or the 7300. Not sure which one he's on. He did put out his power. I forgot what he said his power was. I bet he's on the Zygu. So I'm going to go up here and send him the invite. Click on the pound sign, and we're on 107.250. So I'm going to try this slot. No, let's go to this slot. Let's go to 14. Frequency sniffer. Okay, and it's going to 7109. That's it, 71095. So I'm going to send it. So that's how that looks. QSY. So now we should be back. Let me send, I'll send my weather. I got some canned stuff over here. And there we go. Go ahead and hit send. He's gonna send a file transfer if he's got one. I've got one if he didn't have one. See, we've got a real good connection. Showing 180 BPS, but we were up to what, 250 a little while ago, which is really good. So evidently we're both using the paid version. Oh, transfer Fox test. Okay, there we go. Let's try that. And I'm going to look up here and see. I think that's just initializing it. It's the send file is received. I think RD received, and receiving now. Okay, and open file location, I can click on that. And where'd it go? There it is. File transfer for Fox test. That's it. I'm not going to open it right now. Oh, 1975 teletype pattern. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and send him one. And I've got a joke here I've been sending to people. And there's mine. I'm looking at this, the SF send file OK, and then send file, and then that's the file, and then send file received RD. I'm just guessing at that. And there it goes up here, sending 132, 153, 232 bits a second. All right. Pretty good. And I'm going to request his info because I don't have it down here. And all I did was go up here and click on this button, info, and it puts it down here to send. That's a request. And then it should fill in his name and QTH. I had it filled in earlier, but we got disconnected. I wonder if it got logged. Let me see. Yeah, it did get logged, so even when we were disconnected, it did get logged, and we had an exchange of signal reports. So pretty nice. There we go. Now we got it in there. What its weather is today. I'm gonna have to go here in just a minute. Oh, I wanted to send a gesture. Well, let me see. Some of these weren't working. I'm gonna go ahead and let's try sounds. A ding. That little blurp, that was him typing popping up there. And let's see, I can mute the sounds if I want to. That doesn't work for me. Maybe I'm 45 to 50, now about 70, nice and sunny. Doing that. And let me see. If I send this or this, it works, but disco and ding doesn't work. I'll send a fine business and an exclamation mark. see what that is. And there you go. Two okays. See what another gesture is here. I like playing around with these. Let's see, I'm going to have to run. It's getting towards the top of the hour. I got another meeting. Let's see. Click right above the new message. It's this little, not actually a button. It looks like a tab more. There you go. Yeah, the weird thing is when I when I put out there I'm gonna have to run. A lot of the times the other guy just goes ahead and sends a 73 and disconnects. Yeah, so I guess and I rarely get the chance to do that. But let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna log him again. Wonder why that didn't log automatically. I'll figure that out later. But anyway, Jim in Cornelius, North Carolina. Thanks for the QSO, Jim. And so there we learned a couple of things. The gestures and the file transfer, QSY, and it's a learning process. But this is a real neat mode. And you can see up here I got the monitor going. It's got my conversation up there with Jim. So yeah, it's been a lot of fun. I haven't made any DX yet. I haven't made any contacts, any DX contacts yet, but I'm working on it. FT8, you know, it's so easy to make those DX contacts, but here it's a little more difficult. One of the drawbacks that I see is you can't call CQDX CQDX. We've got that canned CQ, and that's all we've got. We can't change it. And I think that has to do with VARA and not necessarily VarAC. So I don't know if that'll ever change. Anyway, thanks for watching. And if you got something out of this, please give me a thumbs up. If you found it entertaining, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit that notify button, and you'll be notified when I put out a new video. I'll have more to come on VarAC. And I wanted to show you real quick the log for the old man. If I go up to settings and program configuration, you see I'm not even connected with log for the old man. I've just got the log up, and my cat interface. I've got other videos out on that. What I want to show you is the ADIF function. And here it is down here. And you can do this with a lot of different logs. I've got FLDigi in there. What else? JS8 call in there. And then MMTTY, its log in here. And basically what it does is you find the ADIF file for the program, and we're using VarAC. We find that file, make a couple of selections in here, and then hit add. So to find the file, just click on that little folder and navigate to the C drive, and I've got it installed at VarAC. And then just select the log, click open, and then I want to upload to external services. That's the hrdlog.net and clublog, to name a couple. And you can delete the ADI file after loading. I don't tend to do that. Or import only QSO containing station call sign. I don't ever select that. Update inbound data using external sources. I do have that selected. I don't know if I should have that selected. That's something. If they're operating portable and they send me a grid square, I don't want to overwrite that with their grid square that's showing at qrz.com. So yeah, I don't know. I'll have to research that one a little bit more. See, I read these PDF files and these manuals, so you don't have to. So let me work on that one. But I do have it selected right now. And then all you have to do is click on the plus sign, and it adds it down here. Then you can just close out Log for the Old Man, and that's a real neat feature of Log for the Old Man. Okay, well, that's what I was saying. Thanks for watching. And 73, I hope to see you on there on VarAC or FT8 or CW. And I'm on the Breakfast Club Net Thursday mornings, 6 a.m. Central Time, and Saturday mornings, 5 a.m. Central Time. I'm net control, so maybe I'll hear you on there. Okay, 73 and good DX.